Hi everyone, Shawn here.
And Allie.
And we're back with another quick trail tip.
From Zion National Park.
If you're looking for an easy to moderate hike while on a visit to Zion, check out Emerald Pools.
This is a nice loop trail that begins and ends at shuttle points, making it a convenient loop. Plus, there are two pools, an upper and a lower, so you have the option to turn back after the lower if you feel so inclined. Pun intended.
For the easiest route, we suggest starting at the Zion Lodge shuttle stop. From there, hop on the lower Emerald Pool Trail. This is an easy 1.2 mile out and back if you just want to visit the lower pool. It only takes about 1 hour and has a total elevation of 69 feet.
You can continue the journey upward along the upper Emerald Pool Trail, another mile in an hour up from lower Emerald Pool. This trail is labeled moderate due to the 200-foot elevation gain on this trail.
To get back down, take that same upper Emerald Pool Trail, but where the trail meets the lower Emerald Pool Trail, you also have the option to head north along the Kayenta Trail.
This is a moderate 2-mile trail. It takes about an hour and a half to descend 150 feet to the shuttle pickup at the Grotto shuttle stop. Depending on the time of year and how much snow or rainfall Zion got prior to your visit, the Emerald Pools can either be absolutely gorgeous or they can just be these kind of cool pools that line the canyon wall.
When we visited, the falls flowing into the pools weren't really running so heavily. So for us, it was mostly a really beautiful, nice way to burn some extra daylight in the park.
But if you do time it out right after a heavy rain or snow melt, you can have a completely different experience.
We would still suggest this trail if you're looking for a nice moderate challenge and you've already done the Narrows or Angel's Landing. As of production of this video, the Emerald Pool trails are currently closed due to trail maintenance.
Like with any national park that you visit, you should always check the website for the most current, up-to-date information. To learn more about those more popular hikes in Zion, click on one of these videos or check out the descriptions for links to more.
Or better yet, get out there and explore.
By taking the scenic route.